Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. When You're Smiling. This is a song, not a great deal to say about it, except it was written in 1928 by Larry Shea, Mark Fisher and Joe Goodwin, and it's been recorded by all the greats: Andy Williams, Dean Martin, Doris Day, Frank Sinatra, Frankie Lane, Judy Garland, all the greats before. It's just a very happy song to start the day with. I'll sing it through and then I'll go through the chords, which some of them are quite interesting. When you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. When you're laughing, the sun comes shining through. But when you're crying, you bring on the rain, so stop your sighing. Be happy again and keep on smiling, 'cause when you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. But when you're crying, you bring on the rain, so stop your sighing. Be happy again, keep on smiling, 'cause when you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. Well, there may seem a lot of chords in this, but they're all fairly straightforward and can be simplified if you wish. It's in the key of G, so the first chord is the G chord. When you're smiling, now you can stay on that, or you can go down to a G major 7, which I like. That's covering touch strings 1, 2 and 3 at the 2nd fret, the small bar. If you prefer, I can't do a bar, then try one finger here and 2 fingers on each of the others. If you find that a bit difficult, some people have got big fingers, try one finger here and that one covering those 2, or alternatively this finger covering 2 strings and that finger on its own. You have the same problems with the D chord, but I found the bar easiest, just leaning over this D7 chord. The whole world smiles with the A minor again when you're laughing. Now here's got a C augmented chord. That's a C, E, another C, a C, another C, E and G sharp. C, E and G sharp, that's C augmented. I've seen that shape described as an A minor major 7, but it isn't really. If you want that, there's the A minor chord, A, C and E, there's a G sharp. So that's an easier version, A minor major 7. I prefer this one, I think it's a brighter sound. And then D7, this is the Hawaiian D7. You could use the others D7 with a bar at the 2nd fret if you wish, often given. But again, I prefer the Hawaiian. Sun comes shining through. But when a G7, you're smiling, you bring on C, stop your A7, again Hawaiian D7, again keep on smiling, 'cause when you're E7 smiling, A minor, down to A minor 7, E D7, smiles at you. That's it. Well, I hope you found that interesting and useful. As I say, it's just a happy song to start the day with. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.